Hey guys, today I will show you how to create a whirlpool effect in Photoshop. Very simple with just a few steps. First, create a new document, A4 paper size. Fill the background with the black color. Pay attention to the color area. Go to Filter, select Render, select Cloud. Then go to Blur and select Radial Blur. Adjust parameter as above. Go to back to Filter, Filter Gallery, select Chrome. OK. The intentional water vortex effect has been created. Go to the folder, select the photo, then drag the new line created effect over. Adjust the size to be equal. Add layer 1, press key combination Alt Ctrl G. Remove layer 1. Make its color adjustment. Go to Solid and select Curve. Perhaps this is the Photoshop tool we often use. Select Color Mode. You see, now we have the water surface. And if you find it interesting, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. No need to run out to take photos. Photoshop can help us do that. For further correction, use a mask. Use the brush tool. Brushes are used for regular as well as professional retouching. Don't hesitate to learn it. If there are any problems, please let me know. Create a simple water surface after using Photoshop tool.